You don't bite me. Hi guys, how are you today? I'm wrestling with my baby here. I'm wrestling with her. She wants to bite my face off. So yeah, welcome back to my channel, guys. Hi Vixens. I feel like you're. There we go. There we go. Okay, I felt like I was like so far away from you guys. And little Violet's having a fit here. What are you doing? What you doing, little kid? What you doing, baby girl, huh? What you doing? All right, guys. I just got home and she's like, not awake yet. She's like, why are you turning all these bright lights on? Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so the reason I got out here today is before I was going to work last night, and as I was backing out my driveway, I looked at my front door and I had a package. So I stopped and I pulled back in and went out and grabbed it, and it's been in my car all night. So the stuff's really cool. But it is a Boxycharm haul. It's a small one. I did like 3 small ones, and yeah, so I got 3 items in this one, and I'm super stoked, and I'm glad I got it. I think this is the last of the pop-up, and then I did order some add-ons. I think I ordered like 4 add-ons. So and I don't know if that'll be sent with my Boxycharm box for December, or if I have to wait for them to ship it separate. And I did get confirmation they are shipping the other palette to me, that the Viseart Milou palette. They did get that. That is being shipped to me as we speak. So, okay, so what did I got? Natasha Denona! I wanted this so bad, and I didn't get it in my box, and I was really mad, and I was upset. And then I seen it was on the add-on sale, and they sold up pretty quick. So I went ahead and I got me a Natasha Denona palette. Yeah, I think it was only $12. And these suckers are expensive. I think they're normally like, is it $45 or $55 for these quads? Because these are not a mini. This is not a mini. And they have 4 mattes and then one, I don't know if it's a shimmer. It looks shimmery. So yeah, I'm really excited. I hope I like these colors. I hope they're good. This is my first Natasha Denona palette, guys. So I'm excited to get it and use it and try it. So I got that one. And then what to my wondering eye should appear. Okay, I got this one. I got another one. And 2, and they're both the same. Okay, they're both the same, guys. Exact same. And the reason I got 2 is because one of you is going to win a Natasha Denona palette. It's going in a giveaway, okay? And so, if we get to 350 subscribers, this will be one of them that you could choose from, okay? This could be one of them that you could choose from if you want it, okay? I'm thrilled because I never got to try this before. And this is kind of like, it's my first like high-end. Well, no, I guess I got Violet Voss from Boxycharm. I got Violet Voss. I got some Dosa colors. But other than that, that's all I really have from, I mean, I don't have anything. I don't have like Too Faced. I don't have Anastasia. I don't have Huda. I don't have Natasha Denona. No, I do. Okay, sorry guys. I know I'm crazy. Doesn't take a whole lot to get me excited. Okay, then I got one more item, and I'm just about equally addicted to these things as I am to eyeshadow palettes, to be honest. I really am. And let me get it out. I got another sponge gel. Bourbon vanilla, guys, this time. I love these sponges. Absolutely love them. So, yeah. $4. Another $4. I thought, you know what? I'm stocking up while I can. I'm stocking up while I can get them. So, yeah, I went ahead and got me, I think I already have I think I ordered 2 pumpkin spice before, so I have 2 of those. I had one of these. I had the cherry musk, which I couldn't find that one. That's the one I actually wanted. But then they still had these, but the pumpkin spice I think was sold out. So I went ahead and got the bourbon vanilla. So I think I got 2 of these now and 2 of the pumpkin spice and 1 of the cherry tonka musk. And that one smells so good. But I do like the pumpkin spice too. And I haven't tried this one really. I mean, it smells good. I mean, it does smell good. But I just haven't tried it yet. And I haven't tried the cherry tonka musk yet either. But I like these. Ooh, that smells really good. That does smell good. That smells good. Okay, so yeah. I'm really hooked on these guys. I love them, love them, love them, love them, love them. So if you know where any place where they're on sale, you know, at a good price, let me know because I will definitely go and stock up on them. But these are normally like, I would say $16 to $20, and they're been on sale for like $4 on Boxy pop-up. So yeah, that's why I've been grabbing them. So that's it for my haul, guys. So yeah. So what have you guys been up to? Are you guys getting ready for Christmas? Have y'all decorated and all that stuff? We haven't decorated yet. So I'm still debating whether we're going to or not this year. Some years I don't, some years I do. Since it's just I'm not even gonna have Christmas here except for with me and Violet. And if I put her gifts under the tree, this little thing will sniff out her gifts, pull them out, and she'll open them up. She won't wait till Christmas. So I can't even put her gifts under the tree. Because she's that smart. She's that smart little girl. Anyway, so I don't know. I don't know whether I'm going to decorate or not this year. I don't know. I just kind of feel like, I don't feel very Christmassy, to be honest. I don't know if anybody else is having that. It's not feeling very Christmassy. But I'm not like, you know, like down or depressed about it or anything. I actually feel pretty good. I feel really good, guys. I'm so stoked that I got 313 subscribers. Yes, we do. And we're going up. We're going up. And I'm so excited about that. And my Instagram, I haven't really done a whole lot with my Instagram, but I started posting on that again here and there. And I'm at 420 followers over there. So I feel really good. I'm feeling stoked and positive about that. New Year's just around the corner, so I'm really feeling positive and stoked about that. I've had positive changes in my life with my employment, as far as my position and stress levels that I was under. I'm not under those anymore, and at completely different job, completely different shift, and I feel like I can breathe now, and I feel happy. So, and that's important. I like going in, doing my job, and leaving, and not being having to make sure everybody else gets their job done, telling other people what to do. I just don't enjoy doing that anymore. I did it at one point in my life, but I don't enjoy it anymore. I just want to go in, do what I need to do, and then go. Stay busy, you know, and the time goes by really fast. So that's what I actually really like. And so, yeah, it's working out really well for me. And, yeah, so I am just ready for new things for 2021. And I have some new goals and that I've placed for myself, some long-term goals. And I need to come up with some short-term goals to make a path to that long-term goal. So I know one thing is I will be going on a budget in July or January and July. What the heck am I thinking? July. In January, I'll need to be hitting my budget again hard. But I am going to continue to do the boxes I have now. I'm going to continue to do Boxycharm, Bark Box definitely, because that was part of Violet's Christmas gift for the whole year. And Nadine West, I'm continue to do Nadine West a couple times a month. I may slack her back once a month and then add something else in her second spot instead. So you guys let me know whether you want to continue to see Nadine West twice a month, or if you'd like to do it once a month, and then I could find, do something else, in the second part of her slot. I'm going to do Natalie Tired. I don't know if I'm going to continue to do the limited because that's like $80 some a month, and that gets kind of pricey. I may do her like every other month. I'm not sure. Or I may try the classic collection a few times. So yeah, I just got some things that I'm trying to think things out and make decisions on. So give me you guys' input down below and let me know what boxes you would like to see me unbox. And if it's something that's affordable and that I can do, maybe I can add one or two at the beginning of the year. So we'll see. I definitely want to continue to do Stitch Fix every other month because I do like Stitch Fix. And I just have fun with it. I have a good time with them. I'm a little bit more serious with Natalie Tired because I actually won't let them style me because the clothes that I get, especially with the limited collection, is because what I get, if I send it back, it's cost me more money and all that. So I want to make sure what I get is things that I'm going to actually wear and want to keep. So that's why I do a lot of requests on the limited. So that one I take a little bit more serious, and I am very more stern about, okay, I want this and this and this and this, and requesting it. Whereas like Stitch Fix, I'm like, let's do such and such, just send me, loungewear, or, I need a pair of jeans, or, I'm a little bit more lenient with them. So I'd like to maybe try Natalie Attire Classic Collection to where I could give them the opportunity to actually style me, rather than me telling them what I want. But but they're the only ones that really have listened and give me what I want. And I like that too. So maybe I have best of both worlds with Natalie Attire. And I thought about doing Fashion again. I think I've got, I tried Fashion one time and I was not happy, to be honest. I had a lot of issues, but I still have I think a $20 or $30 credit with them. So I thought maybe at the first of the year I might go ahead and order a box and see what happens and use up that $30 credit. So yeah, I'm not quite sure with that. So anyway, I'm going to get off here, you guys, and I'm going to get some breakfast because I haven't had any. And I'm going to spend some time with my baby girl here. And then she keeps licking me. You keep kissing me. You kissings to me. You kissing your mama today? Yes, you just a kisser? You just loving? You give me lovins? I give you lovins back? Okay. All right. So, you guys, I'm going to get off here. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And P.O. Box is listed below. Would love to hear from you guys. Please write to me. And Violet, we'd love to hear from you. Absolutely just, I'd be like ecstatic. And then I can do a video on friend mail. Yeah, let's do that. Friend mail. So, and if you guys do write me and you don't want me to, put your name out there on video, let me know, and I'll keep you totally. I won't, and I won't read everything online. I'll just say, look, I got this card from such and such. Thank you so very much. Or from someone who's anonymous sent me a letter and it was beautiful. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's do friend mail. I think it'd be fun. Let's see what else. Oh, and if you guys would like to help support our channel, I would greatly appreciate it. I have my PayPal down below, and I think I'm going to start trying to do some Patreon stuff. I have got a Patreon account. I just have not got things set up yet, and there will be like little memberships that you guys would purchase. Pay monthly. You don't have to. You can still, be a subscriber here on this channel for free completely and still get my videos. But that channel may have that thing. I'm not sure how it works. So I'm checking into that. It's very expensive to support my own channel. And I can't do a lot of different things. So I'm kind of limited. So anyway, I'm trying to, kind of find different avenues to, maybe help me out a little bit. So that's it. So you guys have a great day. I love you guys so very much. And I can't think of if there's anything else. My Instagram, I'll put below. I always forget that. So I'll put my Instagram below. I don't have a link. So once I can figure out how to do a link, I'll put a link down there, but I'll put my handle down there. So look me up over there, guys. And I think that's it. So yeah, I don't know what's coming up. This will be posted tomorrow to be Thursday. And then I don't know what's coming up Friday or Saturday for Vlogmas. I have no clue what's coming. I don't know if I have anything coming in. If I don't, I will like maybe do another get ready with me with a different eyeshadow palette. Or maybe, I don't know. We'll do a taste test with some delicious things that I like to try that I haven't. I don't know. We'll see. So you guys take it easy, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. This button, I don't know why I cannot get this thing shut off.